Hi everyone, today we are going to be making bone and pork chops in the air fryer. Let me tell you, I am kind of loving sweet chili sauce here lately, and I got to thinking that would go real well with pork chops, and let me tell you, it absolutely does. The air fryer that I am using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I have a couple of bone and pork chops. They are 1/2 inch thick. I'm just going to use some seasoned salt to season these up with. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and do both sides of these. Okay, I have our pork chops all seasoned up. Now we're just going to throw these into the air fryer basket. All right, let's go pop these into the air fryer. All right, we're going to go 12 minutes on 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Halfway through, we will put our chili sauce on and flip them over. Now let's go ahead and make our sauce, or glaze, if you will, for our pork chops. So if you saw my Brussels sprout recipe last week, I'm going to use the same ingredients. The only thing different I'm going to do is add 1 teaspoon less of soy sauce. So I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce. This is Thai style. I love this stuff. This is all I have left. Loving it. So I'll go ahead and pour 1/3 cup of our sweet chili sauce. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce or tamari. And that is it. Just give this a good stir. So if you haven't seen my Brussels sprout recipe that I did last week, I'll go ahead and leave a link to that right now in the upper right hand corner. Definitely worth checking out. It is so good. Okay, we are halfway through our cooking time. We're going to go ahead, brush these with our chili sauce, flip them over, brush it a little bit more, and let it continue cooking. Just going to go ahead and brush the top of these with our chili sauce. I'm going to give this a nice thick coat. Now I'm going to flip these over, and then we're going to brush the other side. All right, let's go ahead and pop these back in the air fryer and let it go the remaining 6 minutes. All right, let's cut one of these open. That is so tender. I am really loving that chili sauce. It goes so well with pork chops. Hey, Jim, want to give this a try? First, say hi to everyone.
Well, hello, everybody. This looks yummy.
You like the sauce on there?
Yeah. It's good.
Well, that's about all you're going to get from him. Hope you all give this a try. So again, here is my video of the sweet chili sauce Brussels sprout recipe I did last week. If you want to check that out, it is absolutely delicious. And the video below is whatever YouTube thinks you want to watch next. Check these out if you like. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.